Okay, everything's tamed a little bit. Okay, everything's everything's tamed a little bit. Every time I say tamed. Hello and welcome to another episode of Cookin' Time. My name is Jake Boyd and I am the Adult Programming Librarian for Sterling Municipal Library. And today I'm going to be making tofu out of Super Natural Simple by Heidi Swanson. Full disclosure, this is my second time filming this because there were some mishaps the first time, and the first time I had a lot of trouble saying Super Natural Simple by Heidi Swanson, but now I'm a pro. So, anyway, I'm gonna be making tofu. I know a lot of y'all are probably like, I don't like tofu. And I think a lot of people have tofu presented incorrectly to them. Like, here, eat this, it's like meat. It's not like meat. It's not like meat. It's like if I were expecting something like meat, I would be like, ew, gross. Because it's its own thing. But it's still good. So, I'm gonna be making a little stir fry today. I just added about 5 dried chilies. I removed the seeds because when I made it yesterday, it was too spicy for my partner. And just do be warned, if your oil is pretty hot, which I made mine a little cooler this time, I'm still getting some sizzling, but it might make your air a little spicy. So just maybe like be prepared to possibly sneeze some. It smells great though, just spicy. All right, so I cooked those chilies for about a minute and a half. Just enough to kind of get the smell in the air. And now I'm gonna start adding in my tofu. We wanna try and get it as evenly in one layer as possible because we are, well, normally, actually I should say, you should be doing this in a wok. My nice wok. My nice wok. Young man. My nice wok is coming. I'm doing this in a Dutch oven because it's the only thing that I have with a cover. Tofu in a layer. That's it! It's because it's wet. Everything's tamed a little bit, and now it's just kind of at a soft sizzle. We're gonna try and get it brown on a few sides. You do wanna make sure, that is one thing, when tofu is undercooked, it can be a little bit gummy. So you wanna make sure you get it plenty cooked. Okay, my tofu's looking about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and actually remove it from my little pot here. And not necessarily on those parts, but see, we're getting some nice brown in there. Just be very careful whenever you're cooking tofu. It is fragile, so it'll break apart. Okay, leaving the stove on and everything, I am now gonna throw in my broccoli and, yeah, this is about 2 cloves of garlic and like a tablespoon of ginger root chopped up. I'm gonna toss that in there too. And then this is about a tablespoon each of sesame oil, soy sauce, and maple syrup. It was good. I was surprised by it though. Okay, and now we're just gonna cover this for about 2 minutes, and just to get that broccoli kind of bright and put a little bit of a crunch on it. So, I believe these are looking plenty bright. Now I'm just going to add the tofu back in. And let's go ahead and get those chilies back in there too. And then we're just gonna cook it all together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Boop. Just to kind of let those flavors blend. And we're also gonna toss in some cashews. Let them just toast a little bit. All right. And this is about done, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And now I have a delicious stir fry. It is still going. Thank y'all so much for watching. And remember, you can check out Super Natural Simple by Heidi Swanson at Sterling Municipal Library. Thanks for watching.